National Information Center statement. The following message is transmitted at the request of the President of the United States. In conjunction with the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. The President of the United States is currently unable to speak at this time. However, there's a chance of a potential World War III to begin between Russia, China and North Korea against the United States and other countries, including South Korea, Taiwan, and Ukraine. The President of the United States will try his best to put a stop to this, and will tell the President of Russia and his allies to stop it. If it fails, a national emergency action notification will be issued across the United States. However, if the President of Russia and his allies reject to stop it, there is a chance that they will declare a war on the United States, and a national emergency will be declared at the immediate request of the White House. The President of the United States is advising to all residents, no matter where you are, to remain vigilant at this time. However, if the Russia declares war on the United States, you are advised to get an underground or a fallout shelter if the nuclear missiles head towards to the United States. Tune into national or local news networks for more information on this situation. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the immediate request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public assigned areas. This is station WTVJ. We will continue to serve the Miami area and surrounding communities. If you are not in this local area, you should immediately tune to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Miami area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
The following message has been given authorization to be released on air at the request of myself, the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States Department of Homeland Security. My fellow Americans, I am a representative of the President as he is currently unavailable to speak at this time. Today is a tough day for America as we are undergoing a potential World War III. At approximately 10 a.m. today, Russian carriers were reported coming into America along with Russian fighter jets and helicopters. It has been confirmed that Russia and his allies have declared war on the United States and our allies. These Russian soldiers were also reported taking our people hostage and say they are going to die if we do not surrender. They say we are doing this under Vladimir Putin. I have arranged for other countries to help out in the situation, such as Japanese, South Korea, Ukraine, and Germany respond to what Putin is doing and going to fight with us to stop Putin and the Russian soldiers before they kill our people. However, Putin is also working with the President of China, Xi Jinping. As of now, more Russian soldiers and Chinese troops are coming into America and kidnapping the people. And recently, we got word that North Korea is going to be sending 10 nuclear missiles to hit several areas of the United States. Right now, my fellow Americans, I advise you all to seek a fallout shelter with essential supplies immediately. And I will declare a national emergency for our country and we will fight back against the Russian soldiers, the Chinese troops, and the North Korean army, and hopefully we can win against this world war. Once we have get through this crisis, we will rebuild our nation and we will become the greater America as once was one nation under God. This concludes my final message. Thank you. God bless you and God bless America.
That was a message from the representative of the President. As he is currently unavailable to speak at this time, normal programming has been suspended until a national emergency action termination alert is issued. Your government thanks you for participating in the emergency alert system. This concludes this operation of the emergency alert system. Tune now to a station providing news and information for your local area, or get an O weather radio for more information on this extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.